Hello and welcome to the next episode of my flying journey. While I set the plane up, let me tell you about today's episode. In terms of video content, this lesson probably wasn't the best, as we're looking at straight and level flying, which as the name suggests means flying the plane straight and level, a task that was made more difficult by the weather. I also need to apologise for the delay in getting this video out. There are a few factors that contribute to this, but the main one is the weather. At the time of recording, it is early April here in the UK, and the British weather has lived up to its reputation and has not been great for flying. I've been rescheduling this flying lesson for quite some time now, and eventually we managed to get clear skies even if the wind was a little bit high. If you enjoy this video and like to see more, then please support the channel by giving the video a thumbs up, hitting subscribe, or you can visit my Patreon page. I'll have a link in the description below. That's enough for me for now. It looks like I'm about to fire up the engine, so I'll hand you over to cockpit me.
Oh, the squelch is a bit off. Immediately you've got it started, check that your oil pressure's come up into the green. Yep. Your starter warning light, which is where on this bloody thing over there, has gone out. It's gone out, yep. And set it to about 1200. And you do those three from memory. Oil pressure, starter warning light, 1200, bang, bang, bang. Okay. Every time. That'll be the first three items on the next page.
Right, starter warning light, oil pressure, RPM set to 12,000.
Oh, 1200.
1200, sorry. Ammeter charging.
It is. If you want to prove that, you put the pitot heat on and you see it jump up.
Right. Okay. Suction.
Is registering there.
Yeah. Magnetos.
One click left just to see if it stops. Another click left to see if it stops. Two clicks to the right. Keeps going, there we go.
All good. Instruments set as required, DI synchronize.
Right, so you can line this up now. So that's giving me about 115. And you need to set that one to 115, push it in and turn it as necessary.
So that needs to go this way.
Oh, you set 125.
Oh, yeah.
That's one of the reasons. This is much easier to use. You can see if you're flying this heading and you wanted to turn onto east, you turn left. You look where the east is there, you've got to turn the aeroplane around the compass.
Oh, right, okay.
Which really throws some people when you start playing that game.
Alright, so is that okay there?
That's alright there.
Alright, good. Radios, set and check as required.
Right, so I'll take you through that. I'm going to turn that one on because it's useful for me to have. We're going to turn that over to standby, and we're going to turn this on. And when this comes on, you get to press any button. There we are. I'm going to change that, put 13248 on there, which is the magic number I happen to know, and is readily available.
Qatari 322 cleared to Doha on the Alvin 1 Bravo.
There we are, hold it there, and parking brake on.
24.
There we go, and reset 1200.
Alvin 1 Bravo, scope 2724.
And those taxi checks you have to learn. You can't possibly go onto a checklist and do them at the same time, and actually do them at the same time.
Yeah.
So we're now at after start. We've done the taxi checks from memory.
Yeah.
So location, we're into wind clear of it. There's nobody behind us, is there? No. Nope. Good.
Okay, parking brakes on, fuel tank changed to fullest.
So over we go.
Oil temps and pressures within limits.
That's just about in the green. That's in the green. That's in the green. So we're happy there.
Okay, magnetos on both.
It is.
They are. RPM set to 1,800.
And the trick is you have to keep half an eye outside to make sure that the plane isn't creeping forward.
Right. Okay. Carburetor heat set to hot.
And you get a small loss of power because it doesn't like the warm air so much.
Yeah. Set to cold. Magnetos check left.
You lost about 90 revs. Lost the same 90 revs. So they're within reach of each other, they're within 50 of each other, and they're no more than 175 drops, so it passes that test.
Yeah, suction. Yeah. Ammeter charging. Yeah. Yeah. Oil T's and P's within limits.
Yeah.
RPM set to idle. Okay. Where it needs to be, and back to
1200.
1200.
over the page, we've got vital actions, and we're there.
Okay, trim set for takeoff.
Because we did it earlier.
Throttle friction to finger tight.
Beat yourself.
Okay. Extra rich. Magnetos on both. Masters on. Primer in and locked. Fuel on. Check quantities, pump on. Flaps as required.
We don't need it for takeoff.
Instruments and gauges. Check and set. DI compass.
Sniff over 120, that's a sniff over 120, and that's on 1025, which are the numbers we want.
Okay. Harnesses. Fasteners are secure.
Yeah.
Doors and hatches.
Yeah, my latches and centre latch.
Yep. Carburetor heat set to cold.
Yeah.
Controls full and free. And PPL heater as required.
Probably won't need that today.
Anti-collision light on.
Which it already is.
Transponder
as we turn onto the runway.
Okay.
We're ready to go. So, close the throttle, parking brake off, and just take us down to the red bar. The whole thing about stopping with the nose wheel square,
Yeah.
if ever you're doing this on grass and the nose wheel's at an angle, the vibration for power checks will bury it when you find you can't pull away.
Right, okay.
And you then have to shut down, get out, pull it out by hand while everybody stands and points and laughs, pretending they haven't done it. And just as we get here, we say, Aero 61 is ready for departure of Golf.
Aero 61, runway 12, left turn out, clear for takeoff. The surface wind 130 degrees, 13 knots.
Clear for takeoff with a left turn out, Aero 61. 3016, which is pretty much what they gave us. We're going to go down here, we're going to turn gently to the right till we're on the centre line. I'll put that over to Alt, so that starts reporting.
Approach is clear.
Yeah, good. Round to the right, onto the centre line. Hold it there. Gently advance the throttle all the way forward. All the way to the full power, all the way, all of it. A little bit of right rudder. Hold on the centre line, there we go. We've got full power. Get the right rudder in. Temperatures and pressure stay in the green, more right rudder. Airspeed's alive. If you come to 60 knots, just gently come back on the yoke. Back, 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 and there we go, hold it there. One hand. There we go.
This was the first time that I've taken off a plane outside of a simulator, and aside from drifting off the centreline, I thought I did pretty well. After departing Cardiff Airport, we head west towards Bridgend and Swansea, and this is where we started to do the manoeuvres. The weather was very turbulent and it was very difficult to hold the plane straight and level, but the instructor said that I managed the conditions very well. You can see from this video as we're flying out of Cardiff Airport just how turbulent it was. Like I said at the start of the video, straight and level flying isn't exactly a thrilling video to watch, so we're going to skip ahead to the landing at Cardiff Airport. If you would like to see the full flight, then check out my Patreon page.
I got him, yeah, I got him.
At this point, we were asked to do a left-hand orbit near to the airport as we were second to land behind an Embraer aircraft that was due to land at Cardiff Airport before us.
Port final number 2 behind the Embraer.
4 miles to port final number 2, Aero 61. Keep the turn going.
Check to land 150 degrees, 13 knots.
And what we'll do, he's given us the wind, so as we come round and we're flying 150, we're going to go straight back into wind for about 10 seconds. Because we've been carrying downwind all the time we've been orbiting.
Right.
And if we go around and do that, we carry back into wind.
A few moments later, we were cleared to land and my instructor took over to handle the landing.
And now, all the way down now, it's the hand on the throttle and the hand on the yoke. Unless you're doing anything else.
Golf Echo Hotel Lima X-ray, roger. Information is Tango, QNH 1024, start at your discretion. Tango 1024.
And there we are, we're pointing straight down the throat of the runway. I want to keep that number 12 fixed in the windscreen. I'm at 400 feet, I'm going to lose the carburetor heat.
Golf Lima X-ray, when ready I have your departure clearance.
Bring in the last stage of flaps. Your landing light on. We don't know, no, wouldn't normally worry about that. Get the fuel pumps in. I don't normally, I will put it on now, I know you've mentioned it, but I tend not to in daylight. Okay. Again, at another airfield you might well do.
Get off the Saxon F5 unit, localize the stop sign from where we want to.
Saxon F5, 0 Juliet, cut it
And I'm just using power to keep our speed at 70 knots.
Number 1.
Try and keep that 12 fixed in the windscreen.
Okay, continue approach, Saxon F5 unit.
We get down, we're looking for the ground rush. Just hold it there, just bring the power off, and just as she settles, just hold the nose up.
This was another fun lesson in challenging conditions, and I learned a lot about straight and level flying as well as doing the takeoff for my very first time. If you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.